Hi, my name is Terrence Travers, and I did my project on Amanda Kelly. She is a current and active BCBA. A quick introduction. Amanda Kelly is also known as Behavior Babe. As you see in that picture, this is a current picture of her standing in front of the quote that I love: "Be the change you want to see in the world." Her previous jobs were paraprofessional, licensed teacher, and school counselor. Um, June 2005 to June 2008, she was a board certified associate behavior analysis, so a BCABA. To June, sorry, March 2008 to April 2013, she was a BCBA, so practicing on the master's level. In April of 2013, she defended her PhD and started practicing as a BCBA on the doctorate level, which she is currently still active under. She is also licensed behavior analysis in Hawaii, and she was the first licensed behavior analysis there. She got that January 1st, 2016, and she's currently still active under that as well. Here are a list of a couple articles that she is the author of. There's several more. These were the ones that I included in my project. The first being the license of behavior analysis, protecting the profession and the public. The next, implicit attitudes towards children with autism versus normally developing children. Another one, which is one of my favorite articles that I've read out of the ones I have listed, which is the effects of pre-session pairing on the challenging behavior and academic responding of children with autism. Next, we have spreading the news, history, successes, challenges, and the ethics of effective dissemination. And lastly, Blurred Lines, which is also a very good read, ethical implications of social media for behavior analysis. I suggest definitely reading that one as well as you, or as we are trying to become BCBAs. It talks about some of the ethical implications that I was not aware of before reading that article. Summaries of findings. I will add more to this slide. While doing my annotated bibliography, I included a couple that wasn't by this particular Amanda Kelly. So I want to have some time to read over some more of her articles and add that to this slide in my paper. So, summary of my interview. These are the questions that I asked. Because she's still very active and always willing to educate, I wouldn't mind actually reaching out to her to have these answered. I think her advice would be very effective as I continue through the process of becoming a BCBA. So here are my questions. I am trying to educate my current place of employment, which is a behavioral health and mental health hospital, about behavior analysis. What advice do you have on helping me to educate them on the effects that behavior analysis have in this type of facility? There's a typo there and I will fix that. Would you recommend a behavior analysis, a BCBA, to also become an LBA? I'm currently located in Virginia, where there seems to be a high demand of BCBA or BCABA. What is your advice on choosing the best place of employment? My fourth question, I have much experience working with children with autism in an educational setting, a private school, and an early intervention center. I would love to experience the public setting as well. What would you say is the biggest difference, and what would your preference be between the two? And lastly, what made you change from being a teacher to a behavior analysis? And I ask this question because I am a current teacher in the process of becoming a BCBA. Her impact to the field is really, really large. Just a quick sum of it, she continues to teach graduate level courses across the country. That's another typo. Sorry about that. She teaches in Massachusetts, Florida, New Hampshire, and she's currently in a director position in Hawaii. She's attended many speaking engagements. I will include a few of her 2018 speech engagements in this and in my paper. several publications on spreading awareness and to educate on the effectiveness of behavior analysis, and she's very, very big on protecting the profession. And that is the end of my presentation. Thank you.